Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Joy. Today I'm sharing with you my update on the 2026 Years of Usage Eyeshadow Project Pan created by Sarah Catherine. The goal of this project is for me to use the eyeshadows in the project 26 times because we're in the year 2026. I'm working on two eyeshadow palettes this year. The first palette is the Be in Love With. This is Makeup Revolution Obsession palette, and the second eyeshadow palette is the Milani Everyday Eyes Smoky Essentials eyeshadow palette. Let me start my update with the Milani Everyday Eyes Smoky Essentials eyeshadow palette. This palette has 6 eyeshadows, and I've reached for this 4 times for this update. In my previous update, I was already at 13 uses. So now, for these two shades, I'm now at 17 uses. So 9 uses to go before I hit my goal. For the third shade, this one, this is a lead shade. I've used this 2 times for this update. Total number of uses now is 11. And then for this black shade, this is the crease shade. I've used this twice as well for this update. The total number of uses now is 12 times. And then for the specialty shade, this one, I've used this 3 times for this update, and the total number of uses is 12 as well. And lastly, for this blue shade, this is a liner shade. I've used this 2 times for this update, and I am now at 8 uses. So for this one, apart from these 2 shades, there's still a long way to go for these 4 shades. Next is this Be in Love With eyeshadow palette. There are 10 eyeshadows in here. I haven't really reached for this as much as I did in my previous update. For this update, I've reached for this 6 times. I know I've reached for this 6 times because the Adore shade, which I always use whenever I worked on this eyeshadow palette, I've used 6 times. So I start with this one, and then the rest, the other shade also that I use 6 times is this shade Bow. For the Dreamer shade, I didn't reach for this at all, so I didn't use this. For the Beloved shade, I've used that twice for this update. Romeo once. Treasure, I've used that 3 times for this update. So that's the most number of uses for an update, because in my previous update, I've only used that once or twice. For the Starry-Eyed eyeshadow, this one, I've used this twice. In the past, I've also used that once or 3 times. The previous update, I used this 3 times. But for this update, when I worked on this, I actually was not light-handed with this one, and I didn't like it. I mentioned in my previous update that this is my favorite shade in this eyeshadow palette, but not anymore. So this only works if I am light-handed. And then for Rapport, for this update, I've used that once. For Bond, I've used that 2 times. For Soulmate, I've only used that once. So for this update, the eyeshadow that has the most number of uses is Adore, because I'm now at 21 uses. So just 5 more uses to go, and then I would be considering this as done for this eyeshadow. Followed by Bow. This one, I am at 16 uses. And then Soulmate, I am at 11 uses. And then the least number of uses in this eyeshadow palette is the eyeshadow Dreamer and Romeo. Romeo actually I like, but I just have not been reaching for it for that shade. versus Dreamer, I don't like this. So it's not a surprise that this has the least number of uses. In my next update, let's see how far I would be able to use the rest of the eyeshadows, because I'll be focusing on this one. This is the palette that I'll be bringing with me in my travel. For Adore, definitely I'll already hit my goal in my next update. So this is my update for the 2026 Years of Usage Eyeshadow Project Pan. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!